Hey, it is Eda Hardy from Master Your Future here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use EFT to breathe easily and fully. EFT is a very powerful tool that's available to anyone. As you know, we are going through a very difficult coronavirus pandemic at the moment, and it's causing breathing difficulties, very similar to pneumonia or asthma. So in case, if anything happens, you have difficulty breathing, you can use EFT to help you breathe easily and freely. I'm an NLP Master Practitioner, EFT Advanced Practitioner and Trainer. As you know, fear and anxiety also suppress our immune system, and it's so important to turn off our fear, our fight and flight response. So I want to increase your chance of recovery from coronavirus or something similar that might affect your breathing, might make you stop breathing easily. So if you've never done EFT before, it is okay. I will show you exactly how to use EFT to breathe deeply and freely. I'm hoping you're going to get a massive value from this video. Let's have a look at your lung capacity. I want you to have a look at your breathing, assessed from 0 to 10. Sort of 1 means not able to breathe easily, and 10 means I'm able to breathe very, very easily. So take a deep breath, put your feet on the floor, and just let go and have a look. How does it feel from 0 to 10 again? My one feels about 7. I don't know if you heard about David Abel as well. He was able to use EFT to overcome his very severe case of coronavirus because there were no ventilator was available for him. So he used EFT to breathe. So it's a good tool to use in case. So once you kind of assess your breathing, I'm gonna show you how to use the points. I'm not going to use the face points because of the coronavirus. We've been advised not to use the face points at the moment. So we can use the karate chop point here, as you can see here. We got the finger points just next to your nails here. We got the wrist points here. You can do both ways. You got one underneath your arm, you got top of your head, we got the collarbones here on your bones just here, just kind of a little bit underneath it. And we got the sore points here. So you can also rub these points, however you feel comfortable. As I mentioned, I'm not gonna touch my face, and you don't have to, but if you want to, feel free. It's so fine. Okay, now that we know the all these EFT points, let's start. Let's start tapping. Just repeat after me, as I mentioned. There's nothing that you can do wrong here. It's okay. Just go ahead with it. Just tap and see what happens. That's the important thing. Okay, let's start. Even though I have difficulty breathing, it is okay. Even though I have difficulty breathing, it is okay. One more time. Even though I have difficulty breathing, it is okay. I allow myself to breathe deeply. It is okay to breathe deeply. I might have a constricted breathing. It is okay. I choose to let go. I accept the way I feel. I'm resilient. I give my body permission to relax and heal and let go. I'm resilient. With every breath that I take, I bring more peace and healing into myself, especially into my lungs. I can breathe fully and freely. It's okay to let go. I accept the way I feel, and it's okay. I give myself a permission to breathe freely. I want you to also kind of tune into your feelings, your body, and start feeling what you're feeling. You know, some of you might be feeling anxious, some of you might be feeling nervous or fearful. Just kind of tune into your body, connect with your body, and just have a look what you're feeling. You might have some fear in your chest area. Let's assume you have some fear in your chest area, but whatever you're feeling, you can just say it. I'm just going to use the chest example and some fear. Even though I have some fear in my chest area, it is okay. Even though I have some fear in my chest area, it is okay. I accept the way I feel and I set myself free. Even though I still got this remaining fear in my chest area, it is okay to breathe freely. It's okay to let go. I acknowledge how I feel. I am open to the possibility of healing. I'm open to the possibility of letting go. I'm resilient. With every breath I take, I bring more peace and healing into myself. Just allow yourself to bring this healing, this peace to come through your body. Every breath that you take, just feel that you're breathing, getting easier. Your breath is going through your lungs and it's all easy. Just let go of the fear, the anxiety and stress from your body. Tapping itself has got a really positive impact on the amygdala. It's important to let go of our fight and flight response. You know, fear and anxiety cause lots of issues. So let's use tapping to release all these blockages. Even though I have difficulty breathing fully and I have so much fear in my chest, it is okay. I deeply and completely love and accept the way I feel. It is okay. I want you to go to the top of your head, take a deep breath, and just let go. And just feel what you are feeling. And just have a look at your breathing one more time. How you are feeling. I'm just going to check my one. Oh, it has definitely gone up. I can easily breathe. I would say 9 out of 10. There's still some room for improvement. So we can carry on tapping as well. Let's go. Even though I have some remaining constricted breathing, it is okay. It's okay to let it go. It's okay to accept the way I feel. It is okay to accept my fear. Even though I still got this remaining fear in my chest, or whatever you're feeling, it is okay. I honor my feelings. Carry on tuning into your body, feel what you're feeling, and you can tap on those areas. Even though I feel whatever you're feeling, anxious in my body, for instance, it is okay. I give myself a permission to let go of the anxiety, whatever be needed. And it's okay to feel safe. I give myself a permission to feel safe. It's okay to heal. It's okay to let go. It is okay to enjoy my life. I'm open to the possibility of healing. I acknowledge how I feel. Even though I still have some difficulty breathing, it is okay. It's okay to let go of this illness. It's okay to heal from this. It's okay to enjoy my life, live my life fully. It's okay to be resilient. It's okay to recover. It's okay to bring light and healing into my lungs and into my body, into my cells. I set myself free. It's okay. It's okay to let go. I want you to take another deep breath. And just let go. And see how you are feeling. How is your body feeling? How is your lungs feeling? How is the capacity of your lungs increase? If there's still room for improvement, please continue tapping. You can go back to the beginning of video. You can watch it from the beginning again. The tapping will help you overcome many challenges in your life, especially the emotional challenges. So if you find this video useful, please leave a review below. Let me know what else you would like me to concentrate on, what other videos you want me to do. And if you think it would be useful for other people, please feel free to share. I do have newsletter that I share very good tips and advices. Please feel free to subscribe to my newsletter and my YouTube channel. All the details are below. All the details are below. Sending you lots of love and light, and keep tapping. Bye bye.